Okay, so I'm showing a small illustration of how we can form our trial balance after we've closed our ledger accounts. Okay, so we've got three ledgers here. Rent, which is a temporal account. Remember, temporal accounts at the end of the year, they need to be reset to zero. Okay, any expenses, revenue, okay, basically the accounts that you find on the income statement, mostly temporal. Then permanent accounts, these ones you can carry the balance on to the next year. Okay. The permanent accounts are the assets, liabilities, capital, and the drawings. These are the accounts you found on the balance sheet. So for a temporal account, all right, since like for rent here, since the amount is here on the debit side, so on the trial balance, you're just going to say rent here, debit side 500. Then to close this account, you just credit it. Okay. The statement of profit or loss, so you credit 500. 500 minus 500, balance down to zero. Can you mute your mic? Next is the cash, which is a permanent account. From the debit side, 1000, credit side, 500. So at the end of the year, on the lower side, which is the credit side, so if you say 31st December at the end of the year, 31st December. Oh, you put first things first, you put the total amount, the higher amount on both sides. So this 1000, you put it here, 1000 here, you also put 1000 here. Okay. Then at the end of the year, 31st December, balance carried it down. CD carried it down. You're just going to say 1000 minus 500, you get 500. So the balance carried down is 500. Then at the beginning of the new year, 1st January, you're going to say balance brought down. It is this same 500 here. Okay. So for cash, where the balance brought, for permanent accounts, where the balance brought down is, that's where you take on the trial balance. So since the balance brought down is on the debit side, on the trial balance, we put here debit. Yeah. Then for capital, also this is a permanent account. So we put the higher amount on both sides, 1000 here, 1000 here. Then at the end of the year, balance carried it down comes on the lower side, which is the debit side. So 31st December, balance carried down 1000. Then at the beginning of the year, 1st January, you say balance brought down 1000. Okay. So where the balance brought down is, that's where you put it on the trial balance. So for capital, you put here credit side 1000. Okay. And as I said, for the trial balance, the debit and the credit must be equal. 500 plus 500, that is 500. Credit side, oh, that's 1000, sorry. Credit side here again, 1000. Okay. So it has balanced. Okay. Remember, the trial balance is used as a check to see if you recorded the journal entries properly, you posted to the ledgers properly, and you closed the ledgers properly also. Okay. You close the ledgers properly. Then, and if the trial balance has balanced, then you're able now to make your income statement and your balance sheet, basically the financial state.